Hi, I am Dr. Pradeep Sethi from Eugenix Hair Sciences, India. I am the Scientific Director for next year's World FUE Institute to be held in Thailand from 30th March to 1st April. A lot of star surgeons will have recorded videos about how they do the procedures, various steps, and you will have access to those videos during the conference. And you will also have the access to the live workshop where again the star surgeons will be performing surgeries. There will be many more interesting topics, and also there will be live demonstration on dummy for the newcomers. We are trying to curate a very interesting scientific content for both the neophyte doctors as well as the veterans. Come and take sour in the scientific content of World FUE Institute 2023.